And a hello again to you, everybody. I'm John Hart.
And I'm Dee Griffin. Thanks so much for joining us. Coverage you can count on begins with an organization in McDuffie County in the pre-planning stages of building a youth center.
They need supporters to help raise money to get that project off the ground. Renetta Dubose explains.
The Thomson community has spoken about the need to keep kids out of trouble, including being arrested. Well, one local organization believes it has the answer.
I work in healthcare, so it's always about prevention. You know, it always costs more to treat a problem than it does to prevent the problem.
Tabitha Rogers is part of a growing movement to provide a solution for kids in need and at risk throughout McDuffie County.
We could get the buy-in of prevention of drugs, the prevention of gun violence, the prevention of domestic violence. If we could get the buy-in to prevent some of these things, it will benefit our community as a whole.
And a more wholesome town is what brought Rogers, Kimberly Ushry, and Pastor Rodney Lockett to the table. The solution came from Ushry, a former Department of Juvenile Justice employee who says she got an up-close and personal look at how much danger children are in today.
One of the kids on our caseload was involved in a domestic violence relationship with another child, and that child got murdered.
That was all she needed to get the ball rolling, bringing stakeholders together, local law enforcement, religious organizations, counselors, and of course youth, around a dinner table back in 2018. The annual event produced answers from children and adults alike about the need for resources for kids. So Ushry created the Cornerstone Youth and Community Multi-Complex Center, a social safe gathering place targeting at-risk and vulnerable youth.
We would need a minimum of $2 million. That's for the land, the building, the construction, the equipment, the services.
She is hoping for federal dollars mostly, grants, and any other benefactors. Services would be geared toward people ages 9 to 21 and other membership-based programs such as a boxing club and culinary classes. There are plans to also partner with Augusta Tech to offer vocational training and the local YMCA. All the needs were spelled out in a survey Pastor Lockett distributed through the Rock Ministries of Thomson Incorporated.
The children, gangs, teenage pregnancy, they have trust issues. Some have issues at home that they don't want to talk to the pastor about.
Ushry is still working on where the youth center will go in Thomson. Again, that will depend on her organization securing a minimum of $2 million. In Thomson, Renetta Dubose, WJBF News Channel 6.